Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic little drone that's perfect for beginners and kids, the S350 mini drone. This drone is designed to be super simple to operate, making it ideal for pilots of all levels, especially younger ones just starting out. Features like altitude hold mean it can automatically maintain a fixed height after takeoff, which really helps new flyers keep control and reduces the stress of learning. It also includes one-key takeoff and landing functions and a headless mode, all designed to make the initial flying experience as easy as possible for newbies. One of the most exciting features is the camera. It boasts a 1080p HD camera that provides a clear picture and offers FPV live video streaming directly to your smartphone via the dedicated app. Getting that real-time, bird's-eye view of the scenery is incredibly fun, and you can easily capture and save your favorite photos and videos right to your album with just a click. The camera angle can even be manually adjusted up to 90 degrees, allowing for a wider field of view when you're shooting. The S350 isn't just about easy flying. It also offers different speed modes. It has 3 speeds, letting you start slow and then increase the pace as you gain confidence. The higher speeds also provide more resistance against wind, which is helpful when flying outdoors. For those looking for more excitement, this drone can perform multiple aerial stunts controlled either by the remote or the app. It's capable of impressive moves like 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotations, and even fixed-point circle flights. It also supports intelligent control methods such as gesture control, voice control, gravity control, trajectory flight, and even VR mode for a more immersive experience. It really packs a lot of fun and surprises into a mini drone, making it a great gift idea for kids and adults alike on birthdays, Christmas, or other holidays. Safety is a key consideration, especially for a drone aimed at kids. This FPV drone is built with safety features like a low-power alarm to warn you when the battery is getting low, an emergency stop function, and 4 propeller guards to help protect users from the spinning blades. These features make it safer and more durable for everyday use. The design is also very practical. It's foldable, so it becomes incredibly compact and can easily fit in the palm of your hand when folded. It comes with a carry case, which is super convenient for transport. Battery life is supported by 2 rechargeable modular batteries, providing up to 20 minutes of total flight time. Having that second battery ready means you can swap it out and keep flying without waiting for a recharge. Whether someone is interested in capturing aerial photos, engaging in educational activities, or just having a blast flying around, the S350 looks like a fantastic RC toy drone that offers endless possibilities for exploration and entertainment. It's presented as a reliable option for boys and girls, and it's good to know that technical support is available to ensure a smooth experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.